Hey, good afternoon, Bob, Trade Genius. 18th of September, and coming up from paying my taxes and filing my taxes hell yesterday. And so today, unbelievable day. First of all, was the massive reversal from overnight. And what I want to point out here was our system fired off not one, not two, not three, but four slingshot reversals. And I'm not sure yet if that's bullish or bearish long term, but I think what we're seeing now is with the volatility starting to pick up intraday and that the news is starting to take over, we're going to start seeing a lot more of this. And what our system does is it's looking at inconsistencies between look back periods, and we seem to be pretty dialed in on these reversals. So if you were up and trading, you could have took this trade up into the SD1, came right back, got another one. You could have took that trade, up through and back down to the SD1. The market opened, this one fired and hit VWAP and then took off. And depending on how you like to trade, you could still be in it. Or you could have took profit anywhere along this line here. And then it gave you a fourth one, and you could still be in that one if you wanted to right now. Market's going to be closing here in about 40 minutes. And so you could get this software from us, and all you have to do is to get it is I sell this normally for $799 a year. But you can get it for $599, and you get a year in the room if that's what you want. Or if you just want the software, you can go to the area up here called software. You can go to the day trading money machine, and actually it's $8.99 a year. However, I will put a promo code out there for you called Special Deal 45, and actually TG45 is the promo code I'll put in there, TG45, and then that'll give you 45% off this price if you just want the software itself. So I encourage you to take it. And one other thing too, I haven't talked about this yet because we're just really getting started with it, but we got a great start already. Is that I love football, and so we started trading the sports picks, and so after week 2, our track record is we're north of 70% win rate, 35% up on the on initial capital. And that's been kind of our long run rate here, about 7 wins out of 10. And then we look for the best picks. We share them with you. If you sign up by Friday morning, you get the picks if we have any for Sunday, Monday, and Thursday. And you get those a couple hours before the game, and it'll automatically come to you via email. So if you're interested in it, check it out. It's a lot of fun, and a chance you can make some decent money here, and relying, and we have historicals and our own experience in this thing for 30 years of playing in the NFL. We also do NHL, and then next year we'll do baseball too. But NHL and NFL are our two ones that we have the most experience with. So check it out, and and check out the special for the day trading money machine. And the last thing I want to show you here is we jumped back into AG. I was going to wait here, but it popped up off of VWAP, bought yesterday, and at the same time we bought some FCX too. Something's changing in the market here a little bit. It's grinding higher, and I'd like for it now to pop up. 15 is my target on this. I'm staying really light till after the meeting next Monday, Tuesday, and then see where everything takes us. But back to the market here is that I'm not quite sure what this is going to entail for us, long term. When you start seeing moves like this, there's a lot of jiggy in it. It's and I'm going to go out to do a 2-hour here to show you. Is that here we go. We're coming up on nice little cup here. I guess that's a handle. So if we break out of this, we're looking at a move from 67 to 20. Let's call it 70-20. That's 50 points. 20 to 70. That, hey, it's possible. Here's resistance here on the volatility bands. So I think probably short term they're going to probably run this thing right up into the meeting. Yesterday I got a head faked out because of this stupid tariff stuff. I had calls, and then I bailed on them, and in a way that was a good thing. By the time I woke up this morning, I would have been down a little bit, but this time I'm not sure what it's going to do, so I'm just keeping an eye on this this move here to see if that really forms into any kind of continuation pattern, or if this was just a short covering rally. And we'll know more if it gets to here or if it comes back down to here. So anyway, that's kind of where we are. Like I said, keeping it really simple till after this meeting. And the world is just going crazier by the day. And so at some point, somebody's just going to pull up stakes, and this market could just have a big rug pull on it. So I'd rather just day trade and keep puts and calls light. And that way, if I get burned, I get burned with a little bit of money versus burned with all my money. Anyway, you guys have a great one. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.